Now let's proceed to the Cara unit. Minimum lot, more or less 99 square meters in lot area and 66 square meters in floor area. So 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath with a price tag of more or less 6 million pesos. So mauna siya guys, 2-story single firewall house. So upon entering the unit guys, makita dayon nato ang living area of course and the dining area with the kitchen. So since this is a dress up unit, gipanindot na good ni siya og taman kaya para ma-appreciate sa buyer ug ma-picture out niya unsay pumasi ang balay inig gusto niyang ma-interior. And of course you have the freedom and option to actually design your own house kay ang turnover is a finished unit. So nindot puti ang ceiling nay wood ang gigamit. Ito mo ko ng balay nga na ay wood accent kay very homey. So muna ang toilet and bath there is a ground floor. Now let's proceed to the second floor and check out the features of our Cara model. There is a Camellia Homes in Dumaguete. So inigabot mo sa second floor na ay common toilet and bath dire. Mana siya. And of course we have a bedroom here. So pwede na sa imong mga anak. Another bedroom across. And we have the third bedroom. So ang ihang toilet and bath common lang siya on the second floor. And for the guests nga mo ana sa inyong balay nasay toilet and bath diri sa ground. So once again, if you want to reserve a unit here in Camellia Homes, Dumaguete City, please feel free to send me an email through boholanobroker@gmail.com. And please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, that's Cebu Bohol Homes. This is Amon Ray Clavano Loquera, your real estate broker and appraiser in the Philippines. Welcome once again to Dumaguete City, the city of gentle people.
For inquiries, please email me at boholanobroker@gmail.com. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cebu Bohol Homes, and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.